So welcome to the live Forex market analysis daily trading report, where we look at the markets before the price moves. There's no Monday morning quarterbacking here in this portion of the program. Since this program can result in financial gain as well as financial loss, please take a moment and pause the video at each of our risk disclaimers. Now let's take a look at the live market. So let's take a look at the Euro-US dollar for the July 18th Eastern Time United States as the Asian market is beginning to start to move just a bit. If you remember from our previous session yesterday, we weren't too keen on jumping straight into price action here. We were hoping we'd get some kind of pullback maybe to this trend line, and we have gotten a pullback. And this is a really good opportunity because again, on the daily trend, we're to the downside. On the 8-hour chart, we still have that spike down from the Brexit. We have just consolidation in here. A very, very choppy market, but still overall to the downside on the Euro-US dollar. So we're still looking for a move to the downside. That's what we're looking for. We're still looking for this consolidation to maybe be broken and these lows to be revisited. So for the upcoming session, price action looks like we've had this downward move, it's consolidating. And when we're going to look for an entry is we're going to draw this trend line on these lows here. And a break of this trend line, we look for an entry. Again, we're going to be looking for profits to continue to break through this congestion. And our protective stop, it's going to be a little bit bigger. It's going to be initially back here above this most recent high. Now, many times we get the question, well, this is the most recent high. This is the most recent high from the drop. So we're going to look to put it up here. It's going to be a bit of a distance. We're risking a percentage. So remember, if we have a bigger stop, 1% is going to be a much smaller position in this case than 1% with a smaller stop. So we're just going to securely put our stop back here and look for price to break this trend line, continue on, and maybe start to revisit some of these lows. Should be a nice trade. Again, this is a trade that's in the overall direction of the trend at this point. It is not a buy trade. A buy trade expecting the chart to move to the upside would be a counter trend move. And at this point, we're looking for a with the trend move. So that's the trade once again. We're looking for a break of this trend line to get back into a sell. Our stop will be up here. And once price breaks this trend line here and closes below it, nicely below these lows, we're going to move our stop down just above these highs. And then see if we can continue to have the euro break down even further, maybe to these lows, and then take some profits. So that's what we're looking for on the Euro-US dollar in the upcoming session. Thanks for joining me today.